Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia spoke about the funeral, and she's saying that she has a natural gift for speaking and, preaching and singing. She's saying that even though she's not able to sing that well, but it's powerful when it comes from her. She's also encouraging people and letting them know that you can be here today and tomorrow you're gone. She says that we should take her friend as an example, that death is a sure thing and it's something that we do not know when it will come. She says that for the persons that are on social media that are bragging about what they have, the amount of money that they have, the houses, the cars, the this, the that. She's saying that her friend is gone and she was not able to take her two cars that she left in her driveway, her house, her furniture, nothing. Her friend was not able to take nothing with her. And she's saying that none of us are able to take anything with us. We get 6 feet. And she says she doesn't know the size of how wide the grave is that we all get. But she's saying this to say that we are here and we should focus on other things, focus on life itself, and, not focus on the material things in life because we're not able to bring those with us. So, to hear more of what Marcia had to say, just go ahead and watch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. Also, for all the lovelies out there that celebrated a birthday today, I wish you a prosperous year and a happy and beautiful day. And for all my other lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
It's because of the grace of God that surround me. I'm supposed to be working for the Lord full time. I'm a very powerful girl. And even though I may not can sing 100%, but my voice is very powerful. I can lift up any lion out there. Or anybody out there where I come across me. So you got to understand one of the reasons why I get so much fight is because of the gift that I have. I have a gift of talking. You understand me? My words, I can change, I can cuss my little words, but you people must understand that I'm a child of God. Said we remember say I go to church all my life, Remember say I grew up into a very spiritual Christian, Remember say all of my sisters, most of them are Christian and pastor and deacon, My brother them are deacons, My niece, me have a niece a prophet. Remember say my sister a minister, and evangelist them, Remember, I grew up in a church all my life, Remember say me keep church on Facebook too. So I must understand, remember say I'm baptized, Remember say me is a baptized Christian. So I'm not stray far from the Lord. Everybody, people have to understand that is because of behave like that. Is because of the provoke. When them provoke me on social media, talk about me and bother me. So I just defend myself and get angry. But during that, you know, so when me come out and ready to keep church, so me mash up Facebook already. I'm not stray far from the Lord. But I'm going to go back because I want to see me want to see my mother, I want to see my father, I want to see Nadine one day. Because I know so Nadine get peace with God. So me know. Yes, me dear. If they allow me in a church, I tell us a church not good again. If they allow me in a funeral home there, if me did start up early, if them did start up early from when the people were sitting there, if them did give me the, because I came in like a little bit late, a little late anyway, like about 2:30 and it started 2:30. But if there people were sitting there a long time, maybe from like 1 o'clock, if me did come there from that time, me would have nice up a place. Just give me the mic. That's all I have to do. Give me the mic and I know exactly what to do. You don't have to tell me nothing. I know Christian songs. I know what to sing and I know to talk. I know how to motivate and preach. So that's not may have a gift for that. That is what it is. I have a gift for it. So because me a woman, me can't sit down and know say you is a Christian person and he just sit down, it's just so I'll just have view. I mean, the other day I went and we spent so many times and there was not no singing, just viewing. They should have a little music play in the background, something. Somebody I talk in and out and sing and just something. Me not like boring funeral. Me make sure say no. Me not go get it a foreign because me not bury Jamaica. But me say when time me pass from this world, me want live band. Me want drum. Me want all kind of thing. Marching band. But me know me not get it here. I'm not gonna get it here. Me want marching band. Like all my auntie we did at Jamaica, we all get a marching band. We march from this, so with marching band and this. I mean, no, my something. No, but me know them turn up, blah. So I guess marching band out of the way, because me not go back a yard. I sure ain't. The only way me get marching band unless me go to Jamaica. So me not going to Jamaica. Love how you made the bold move and go request. Listen, as I said before, me never don't left the place until me sing, regardless or not. So me no go up there. Cause I come punish for sing, and I sing me come for sing for her. Cause she love my singing. She always tell me, say, Marcia, you can't sing, If you go back in your church, go serve the Lord. Yes. Cause Nadine can't sing too good, but she love to sing too. When Nadine starts singing, I dead me and they laughing. But Levy love to sing. But Nadine can't sing good. So when Nadine ready to sing when Nadine go to church every Sunday, Nadine go live on social media. And Nadine mouth loud, and Nadine not sing right. But she love to sing. So that is how it is. But she's in heaven, she's in a resting place. And we know that she get a resting place. And that is an example to all of our friends and family that you're here today and you're gone tomorrow. And you can't carry nothing with you. Look which part you're gone. You come out of 1 3-4 bedroom house and you're gone back in a one little, I don't even know what size it is. 6 feet, I think. And I don't even know a measurement. And one little spot with the coffin wall. So let me tell you something. So you see all I want to out the way show off on herself. And I talk about house and car. Nadine left 2 cars in the driveway. And she left her house. And so me I let her know. And she left her children them right behind. No of them not go with her. No man, no job, nothing. No bank account money, nothing. None of her beautiful clothes and her furniture them. Nothing. Never go. You understand? I see them put on her nice watch pan and her bracelet. But nothing. Nothing. So all I want to out there, just remember, look at my friend and take an example. Because some of you go on social media like you're not dead. You're not going to live forever and ever. Well, I'm here to tell you now. Make your life happy. And make sure so make sure you get an election right and get it in Jesus Christ. And that's enough to do. Stop coming out here and bashing people. Because I tell us if I got up heaven. Me say me did wish when me hear the news the morning when I wake up it was 3:60. Me ask God to open my heart because me despise the boy they down to the bottomless pit. Because when me see the boy they come on social media and I go on with, me don't understand how could do. Me say me wish that him. Me say me wish when me get up the morning and me get the message in a messenger. Because me never have Nadine number, children them number. You understand? Yeah, so me wish when me wake up to see how the boy on social media drag me down with a bunch of lie. When me see him I call Nadine name and Nadine don't know him. Because through here me say Nadine say because you don't want to go work. You're over there making up all kind of stories. Yeah? You're over there making up all kind of stories. If me come Aruba, and me have to make sure say me is convenient. Me have ride. I met a wonderful lady. I met a wonderful lady named Kathy. Kathy is well known. Kathy was a lady here when people come from Jamaica fear house them there. She's a well known person. And come on social media face you upon herself. Kathy is here and can Cathy is here and can verify and tell you no. Me cancel my hotel, me have my receipt and everything. When you look, oh God work out, his cemetery is across from our house. How good is that? Right across from our house up the hill. Which part me them in the tourist spot. Nobody now come over there so come get me. So thank God when I came to the airport and whatever it is, I was probably stuck in that hotel. And me lose my money. I have to, when I go up, I have to go dispute it in my bank. Because the hotels, them are non-refundable. And I'm here, sir. She say right. So not true me attack Cathy.
Yes, ma'am.
And Cathy drive me around. Cathy say, no far that is. Which part you there? And she say, I have to come over Chocolate City side. Me say, when he say, he say, no far. Who is going to drive me? Nadine family and probably busy, whatever. She's free. She just dropped her daughter to my airport. She must drive me about 10 different hotels. Every hotel book up.
Me go upstairs. You call me.
Yeah. Every hotel book up. So she was like, me say, you know what? Let's carry me back to my own then. Me figure some way out. And at the same time, Cathy offer me. I say, you know, I can rent you one of my room and stuff. No problem. And she treat me good and me feel at home. And if me ever come back here by myself, I'm going to spend a week and two, me I come right here and get the money. Why not give the locals and give it to the big man? They are rich already. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. So make sure you get the money. Make sure you get the money. Because she drive me around and carry me. So what is the sense? So that is all you have to look at. Why the white man them, why the rich people married in them big hotel Airbnb can benefit when she's driving me around? Why should not benefit and me feel at home? Me have my own room. She give me own room. Me back my own bathroom. She drive me around everywhere. She carry me. Make sure make her money too. Yes, make sure make her money too. If you can't go give it to the big establishment, then you can whatever. And I feel very much at home. I feel like I am at my sister's house. That's how they treated me. You understand? The grandkids, them is here. Everybody treat me. Me come like some know a lady for a long time. And she know Nadine very well. How that? Who is that? That's here?
Yeah.
Okay, put it on.
Put it in your WhatsApp.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah. So I feel very much at home and comfortable and treat me well. You understand? Nobody bother me. I have my own quarter. Me have AC. Me have everything in my own bathroom. So why take the money and give it to somebody else? When you could have, why go take it and give it to her when you could have give it to her? Yes, and she said, you want to stay? I said, no problem. And when we realized the cemetery is right across the street from her. Right there. You know, for me, they don't in a tourist area. I may lose my money. When I call and cancel it, when I wake up in the morning, all that money put on my bank account. So I need to give back money because it's non-refundable. I call customer service. And I make sure that I call my sister. I call my sister first and I say, what do you think? And I call my auntie them first. And say, it's okay, Marcia. If she's driving her and she's so nice, might as well stay because you're not there for long. You understand? I may just say, okay, no, it's no problem. Him depend in blogging page over there. Oh, should I robot catch up people yard? No, me not catching, I'm paying. No, me not catching. I am paying. You understand? Me not catching. She welcome in her house and in here is very nice and comfortable. And I will be right back here. Anytime I come back here again, she may stay with her and give her the money. Just like any Airbnb. She have enough room. About 4 bedrooms she have here. You think she's well known and well popular and well loved. She's a charitable person to help people. And I'm not careless man, a big woman. You understand that she have a love with children, then when she drop at airport and live a foreign. So nobody will beg me nothing. She have what she have. She have her money. And she have her children them. Her children them live in Atlanta. And then just left her carnival. So she don't want nothing. She have everything. She come up. She even come up in the next few months. In the next 2 months. So she not beg me nothing. So if it's you feel like someone can come on social media and come and degrade nothing. Me don't know who I think when I talk to. Don't talk to me. Una put a lot of liberty on social media, make people think say people una there talking the truth. Me say, you see, I want God strike you down. Me say, I want God give you a piece of stroke. You see, boy? You see, when they shout and I go on, so I know you watch me and stream me. I want God stroke you down and suffer you. Nadine went home to Jesus fast, but me want God to put you on a bed and suffer you. Me want God put in a wheelchair where you can't talk. where you can't wipe your behind, you can't do nothing. Me want God make you suffer on your bed. Because me hear you over there a downgrade people. You call the woman name where drive me around like me know it come like say the way the woman treat me, it come like say me know the woman for all my life. Because that's how me get along with people. When you meet, when you forget to understand. You understand? You over there talk about the woman favor this. The woman, when she came at the airport, she just come back from the beach. So she never put on, the woman have her hot clothes, them and a hot woman. Well known and well respectable. If she had passed on to, she would have get probably bigger than Nadine funeral. Because she there before Nadine. This is somebody with live Aruba for 40 years or 30 years. She and her sister and her family. So nobody come go on like say me da Aruba around people who are not prominent here. This lady is she know every car on the road. She know them. She da this a country just like what me da foreign too. And speak all 3 different languages. Spanish and Papamento or whatever they want to call it and whatever something. Only did they want to put on people who know nothing. Eh? I want to put on people. Only thing gonna put it down. Oh, they all buy ticket from who no buy ticket. Oh, son working a place. Not that thing no go so. Neddy don't have no stepson or no whatever stepson no working at no travel agency or nothing. Oh, somebody buy a ticket because they want to take liberty. Who think I'm taking liberty with? You know who not talk to? Who not really know who not talking to? Who not come on social media chat all kind. Who not know who not talk to? You think so just because I come out of social media and I say feel me? What you expect? What do you expect? Eh? Where you think that if me look how much time me come out and ask for help and me not get none? Did I force anybody? No, they with their willing heart. Them see the situations, them know. I'm grateful and anybody who assisted me. But them never buy my tickets. Them never buy my ticket. The money that I have collected on social media could buy my ticket. And my hotel money. It could have go maybe like a quarter of it, but not to buy my ticket. So you think someone was waiting on social media to buy my ticket? Una know how social media go. And sometimes una have to test to see who really care about you and who not care about you. That boy sit down on him page every day beg. Him no work. Him no pay taxes and him over there. Una say the boy is a mad boy. What me couldn't get him in a psychiatric ward? Something. For you see a man over there watch me clothes. Look on the $10 frock way in. Oh, him knows to buy it frock at $10. Him a walk in a store, I buy clothes at $10. Oh, him knows a $10 cost. Make him not go see how much I want the cost of me have on tonight. Big up to Blue Angel. And giving me a discount for my frock too. Very nice dress. I love it. Yes, very nice dress. Perfect. It's flow and it looks very cut my type of address them. So big up to Blue Angel on Jamaica Avenue. Remember to visit Blue Angel. Them have some wicked clothes in there right now. Very much boutique style and whatever it is. You can't get that one less under $200. You go in there, tell them the Marcia said you get a 10% off. So when you go in there, tell them that what it is. You understand? You chat too much. You always want to put people down. You need to stop it. Because me I tell us your days are coming. Me say me just sorry say I know you dead. Over my friend Nadine. And that is the truth living God. Me I talk. I wish it was you who